guys, it's Bill once again, and guess what? I came to this really crazy idea, so I'm taking a little diversion, but I'm going to make some Thousand Island dressing, because that's the way we do it, because I was going to make some really nice turkey Reubens, and I was like, hey, as long as I'm making Thousand Island dressing, because my dressing is the best, because I used to make dressing all the time. How about something a little unique? So I've got these, I'm calling them Reuben French fries, okay? And you can use my recipe that I'll link for the Belgian fries, which are really excellent. But because this was kind of a spur of the moment thing, I ran to the store and got some frozen. Sorry about that, but I just want to prove that it'll work too, okay? So, first of all, what do I got? I'm going to start with about a cup of mayo, right? Then, I got to get some color, right? So I need about a quarter cup of ketchup. I'll tell you a funny story. This is Whataburger ketchup. They started selling it at Target. I love it, okay? It's really fun. Then, I got about half a cup of dill pickles. I don't use sweet pickle relish, okay? It's just not my gig. So I'm going to tell you, this is the key. You just do some dill gherkins, you know. And I got about half a cup of just some nice sweet onion. And I had a leftover shallot, so it was really big, so I used about half a shallot. And I think that's really going to help. Add a little flavor to this whole thing. Okay, so now what do we need? Gotta look. Let's get some Worcestershire sauce. So this separates sometimes, so I always give it a little shake, 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 shake your booty. Alright, whatever. Just a teaspoon. And I got horseradish. So the trick about horseradish, lots of times the bottles are tall and skinny, and so I use a knife. But this is kind of a wide mouth bottle. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring some up the side out of the juice and compress it. Okay? Let's get that juice out of there. And I only need about a teaspoon. Okay, I like horseradish, so I'm going to put about a teaspoon and a half, but if you're not a fan, I think this just gives it kind of a unique twist. Put the lid back on it. Otherwise it's going to burn out my sinuses. Let me tell you, this stuff's pretty strong. Okay. Alright, so I got about half a lemon. I only want about a teaspoon to start with. I'll actually measure it, okay? Just to prove to you. And last but not least, I'm going to take probably need about half a teaspoon of paprika. This is just sweet paprika, not my smoky, because I'm not trying to make this all smoky. Just going to add to that color. Did I mention? So I got the fries in the air fryer. I have it in another room because it's too loud and I can't talk over it. So now what are we going to do? I need to mix this up, right? I know what you're thinking. Crazy Bill's ahead of it again. These crazy recipes. But this is actually really good. You know, when you don't put all those fillers in and stabilizers, you really can end up with a pretty good little product. And this makes you realize they must put something in Thousand Island dressing to make it really orange, because this ain't that orange. This is the bomb. Wow. Dill pickle is so much better than the sweet pickle. I could sell this. That's what I need to do, sell it. Alright, so how do we finish this off? I'm going to make it a little bit. So I took some sauerkraut and I put it in my strainer, let it sit, and then before I got it out, I just got really tough with it, squeeze all the juice out, okay? Because what I need to do now, got to make a little mixture. Just enough. Ooh. The new refrigerator is going to set up a little bit. And just keep adding till you got sauerkraut with a little bit of dressing. You want dressing all around. So I'll take just another little. And I actually had to concentrate this morning because I wanted to get everything to a pretty fine consistency, chopped up pretty small. Alright. So this is the beauty of the beast. Just let it go. And that's what I'm looking for. I've got just enough to flavor. And I use Bavarian sauerkraut because I like the caraway seeds. Wow. Dynamite. Alright. I'm going to go get the french fries out of the air fryer. I'm going to put this all together. I'll show you how to have something really fun to eat. Alright, I got my french fries all nice and crisped up and hot as can be. Woo! Whole thing's kind of toasty. Trying to burn my fingers, right? Alright, I'm going to make a little mound here. Yeah, this sucker's really hot. This isn't fair. Because I like to cook my french fries like 400 degrees. I'm just max it right out. Burned my knuckle once. So what do I got next? Because these are Reuben fries, right? So, pastrami. This is brisket pastrami. Only way to do it. I don't want top round, I want brisket. It's really kind of thin, so they make a whole bunch of little strips, and I asked for it to be thin cut. And oh yeah, this is a lot of goodness here. And yeah, I'm just drooling. I got some Swiss cheese. Let's just go a little crazy. I love Swiss cheese. This is like the good stuff, Alright, so what are we going to do now? Clean up my mess. And I'll put this back in the little air fryer basket. Back in the air fryer. Without burning myself. Alright, this is going to take about a minute. I just want to melt the cheese and get everything heated back up again. I'm going to see you back in 1 minute and we'll finish this up. Alright, the smell is unbelievable. Let me see if I can't make some space here. I'm going to try and drag this out of the sucker. It's really hot. Got a plate. Doesn't it look like so wicked awesome? I think so. Alright, I need to keep this nice and toasty warm. I'm going to just start, put a little bit of my sauerkraut. Homemade Thousand Island. And you know what's going to happen. You get down to the bottom, there's going to be not enough sauerkraut in Thousand Island. So, just like a little dipping pile on the side. Oh yeah. So, are you hungry? I mean, are you thinking about this? Are you thinking this is like one of my crazy creations that's just over the top? Oh yeah. Cannot tell a lie. This is fabulous. So, other than the French fries, the rest of it's pretty straightforward and easy. Something you could really impress your friends and family with. Get the kids to eat something, a little fun, introduce new food. You know, maybe they'd be like, pastrami, I don't want that, but mix it in here, guess what? They'll eat it. Oh, Thousand Island, sauerkraut, I don't like that stuff. Hey, guess what? They try this, they'll eat it. So, as I always say, appreciate everybody. Thanks for the ideas. I got a million more I'm still working on. And went to the grocery store to get stuff to make something totally different, and I couldn't find some of the stuff I need ingredients, so change course really quickly. And so let's head, we're going to forge forward into 2024 and have a lot of fun with a lot of good food. And I'll see you later. Thank you.